afternoon, everybody. If you're new here, my name is Paul Taylor. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. If you've been following along, we're back out here on the massive modern home going into Temecula Valley. I haven't filmed in a couple of weeks because I had to leave on military orders and I just returned. So I wanted to catch up with you guys on what's happening out here. If you've been following along, as you can see behind me, a lot more has been done in just the last couple of weeks. But this house is a lumber eater. This thing is massive. If you recall from previous videos, it's all double framed walls. So it's double framed 2x6 walls on the inside. And then we have all this massive steel going on the outside for the porch where all the walls open up. So we're gonna go down right now and check out what is happening and what's happened since I've been gone. So if you wouldn't mind, just stop right now, smash that like button if you like the video, and just help us build our channel. You know, it just helps YouTube to recommend our channel to other people. That whole algorithm thing that takes 900 years. So we're gonna go down right now and check out what's happening with this project. Thanks for watching. Okay, you can see right now my roof sheeter is here. He's up there sheeting the upper roof, and he's putting down the radiant barrier sheeting, and then on top of that will be 2-inch rigid thick foam, and then sheeting goes over the top of that, and then we have a whole bunch of crickets and everything up there. It's going to be like a 1 to 1.5 to 12 pitch roof, so it won't be a flat roof. It will have some slope, but there are 37 roof drains going in this house. But you can see all the giant overhangs. I mean, we have overhangs everywhere and all kinds of detail that is going into this house right here. You can see the window's gonna fit in the pocket there, but then we have this overhang and then that detail up there in the window. But you look up above, you can see all the different roof overhangs that are everywhere. That gets light, so it's gonna get recessed lighting and everything. But yeah, there's a lot of work in this house, a lot of work. See up above? And then right here over this window, another overhang. Here's the entryway right here. Okay, but we step back here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's go over here. It's gonna get loud because of the compressor. We have another overhang above that, and then we have windows that go in there. So we'll step right over here and see. See if we can see it inside. Might get a little dark. Yeah, you can see the windows up above. We have windows going in here, windows going right here. But yeah, a lot of overhang on this house. All massive stuff. This is all 2x18. Go around here and check it out. Same right here. Underneath these windows, more overhang here and all the way around the garage. Got a door that exits out right here onto the patio that's going to come after we're done building this. There's actually some walls that go out here, some CMU walls. See all the overhang up above? That's 2x20 up there and 2x18s all the way around the front. We have a mechanical room that's right up there. You could probably see the doorway. That's a mechanical room. We also have, on the other side of our lift down there, we have another mechanical room that's going up on top down there. So that's where all of our heating and air units and everything's gonna go. And we're gonna have 6 tankless water heaters in here. You can see the garage right here. All this massive overhang, 2x18s. This is all 2-inch thick material. Go around the back side. As I said, it's all double 2x6 frame walls. Right here is actually a 2x6 wall and a 2x4 wall. Or a 2x8 wall and a 2x4 wall. Here's the back side of the house. On the garage here, you can see the master bedroom deck right there. Place is massive. Okay, right here, this is the daughter's room right here. That was going to be a window, and that deck wasn't there. So because we had a deck going on the master over here, we went ahead and we joisted this out. We cantilevered the joist out, and we're putting a deck there, and we changed that window to a 6-foot slider for the daughter's room. This area right here, this open area that you see, That's going to be glass all the way from the bottom to the top. We're going to have floating stairway in there. View Rail is who we get our stairways from, and they're building the stairs for this particular project. And there's a wall right there in the middle, and I didn't want a wall in the middle of my floating stairs, so we're going to take that 6-foot wall out. It's 6 feet long, 10 feet tall, and we're going to put a 5-inch steel post there. See all the overhang up above? Right here's the master bedroom deck. Okay, so we have some sliding doors that go up there that open all the way up. And then right here, you can see all the massive steel that we've got going out here. This is all giant C-channel, 20 inches tall. These are 18-inch by 12 by a half-inch thick. Actually, no, this is 3/4 inch thick steel I-beams for this porch. And then here's our steel rafters. These will all be exposed. We do have some 2x10 ceiling joists that are going in here up above, up between those. And 6 inches of that steel, those are 4x10s. 6 inches of that will be exposed. Okay, it's all C-channel. Water will not sheet over the top. We're gonna have a trough built behind there, and there's gonna be drains all the way around this thing. Okay, you can see right here, here's the house living room. That's an 18-foot door, 18-foot door. Those will open all the way up, and that living room will open up all the way out onto this patio. Massive structure. This is gonna look really good. Like I said, this also gets sheeting on top with 2-inch rigid foam. And then right here, we have another. So these are 10x14s, HSS steel. We have another one that comes out here, a hip that comes straight out right here. And then there's a rafter that goes here and one goes across here, and this will be an open skylight. But like I said, no water will sheet over the top of that. It's all going to go in troughs that we're gonna build behind here. And I'll cover that when we get to it. And see how that living room's gonna open all the way up? Massive steel. C-channel goes all the way down. We got a door right here that's also gonna come out onto the patio. We have a slider here. We have a door here that comes out of this bathroom and this bedroom right here. That's the bathroom for this room. Okay. So we'll go upstairs right now, check out what's happening up there, and I'll show you some of the things we did in the framing upstairs. I mentioned in a previous video, we have 1 1/8" floor sheeting up here. We have these massive 2-foot floor trusses, and then we have 1 1/8" floor sheeting, plywood that goes down on top of that. We glued it all down before we nailed it because we don't like squeaky floors ever, and that's the correct way to do that. So we're gonna go up there, and I'm gonna show you why we double bottom plated all the upstairs. So we have 1 1/8" floor sheeting, and then we're going to put lightweight concrete 1.5 inches thick on top of that. So we didn't cut out any of the bottom plate that runs through the doorways because we're gonna use that so we could screed our lightweight concrete to that 1.5 inches thickness. Let's go upstairs right now and check it out. Okay, here's where the floating stairs are coming. So right here where I'm standing is the upper landing, and our stairs will come up that side to a landing right here, and then come up here, and they will all be floating stairs. But as you can see, you look at the bottom framing here, you'll see we have two bottom plates right here. Here's the first one, the second one. This will actually end up being the bottom plate for the flooring because our lightweight concrete gets poured right here 1.5 inches. So you'll see we ran that bottom plate all the way through the doorways, okay? And then we can screed our concrete off of this 2x6 so this stays. But this whole upstairs gets lightweight concrete all the way through. Over here to the master, same thing. This is a big window right here in this hallway coming over here to the master. We have a window that's gonna go right there above that roofing. You see this giant stuff, this is 20-inch, 2x20, okay, 20-inch material. And then we're gonna put a windowsill across here, 4 inches above this, so we can have flashing. We'll have flashing come up off this roofing. We'll have a window here, we'll have a window here, so they can look out the master and see all the mountains. Here's the deck on the master. Nice view out the deck. There's what the top of all that steel looks like. He's up there sheeting that upper roof right now. Like I said, that gets 2-inch thick rigid foam on top of it, and then it gets sheeted again. And then we'll slope that 1.5 and 2 inches to 1. So all the water will run off of that. But we will have trough drains behind this C-channel. Show you the daughters right over there. Right over there is where we, there's the daughter's deck right there. So she has a nice little deck now. There's the 2 big windows where the floating stairs are gonna be. Let's go in here to the master bathroom. Got this nice window right here. All the way down the hallway, goes to the master bathroom. And then here's the Jack and Jill master closet, really huge closet. But you can see the view they have from outside of the mountains. Nice view. A nice view of the mountains, but not such a good view of my roof heater. Master closet right here, really big. Hard to tell with all these plumb and line braces in here. You know, 10-foot ceilings. Got master bathroom right here. Sunken floor for the shower, for the walk-in shower, so we don't have a shower dam. Nice big windows. Right here, this opening that you see, this actually gets cut off. We have a pop-out that gets built here, and this is gonna be a built-in linen closet for this master bathroom. Okay. Let's go to the other side. I'll show you where that other utility room is going. For all mechanical, all of our mechanical ducting is going to come out of that. It's been very challenging figuring out the ducting for this HVAC. Here's another bedroom. Go over here. So if we walk out onto the roof, okay, right here's a mechanical closet. You can see the doorway that goes out onto the roof. Right here, we'll go out here and check it out. We're above the garage right now. That's a doorway right there for the mechanical closet. So that whole thing in there, 12 feet long and 7 feet wide, that's a mechanical closet. Okay, so we're gonna put everything in there. We'll cut holes in the floor to run ducting down for the downstairs and then run up through. We have a chase. We'll build the chase in this closet right here. This is a closet for the bedroom inside here. We'll build the chase down 1 foot so we can run ducting through here and get it to the rest of the house. So we had to have our mechanical engineer come out here, and we had to go over this thing to figure out every way to put all the ducting, because there's a return in every bedroom. See right here, double 2x6 frame walls through the whole house. This house is going to be ultimate efficiency. See right here, we can put double R19 in the walls. Now, I showed you before how we seal off the bottom plate, so when you pressurize the house, when you turn on your heating and air, you don't lose air through those gaps. We'll do the same thing here. We won't put sealant down here, because this is the actual bottom plate right here. This gets a 6-foot slider for the daughter's room. We're gonna seal all these gaps right here, all the way around on this this first of the bottom plates, because that's going to be the bottom plate, because this is going to be 1.5 inch concrete, lightweight, going right here. And here's the daughter's little deck right here. Nice little view. Moving right along, but like I said, this is a double framed house, so we pretty much have built this house twice. You know, massive beams everywhere in here. Looks good. So that's what's happening out here today. We're going to continue on with sheeting this roof on this thing, putting the rafters on around back where you see all that steel. We have 37 roof drains that have to go in here after we put the rigid insulated foam up top and then sheet this roof again. Then we have to slope the roof 1.5 and 2 to 12. And we're going to continue on with this project. So hit the subscribe button and join the channel. Don't forget to follow us on all of our other projects. We have a lot going on. We have a lot coming up. We're moving equipment on another big job that's even bigger than this one. So continue to follow us right here at TCI Development. Don't forget to go over and follow us on our Instagram page at TCI Development. And hopefully you guys can learn something by watching our projects that'll help you with your project. Have an awesome day.